Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create outline text in Photoshop. Well, without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open your Photoshop. Here I will give an example to add outline text on a picture. I'm just going to create a simple text. Select the font and adjust the text size. Now, to make an outline, right-click on the text layer. Click Blending Options and click on Stroke. Set line position. You can choose outside, inside or center. Set the color and set the outline text size. Here you can also adjust the opacity. If it's done, click OK. And yeah, this is the outline text that you have created. Just it guys, I hope this video will help you. See you in the next video, thank you.